How to remove your iCloud account and Apple ID from your Mac in 3 easy ways. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 simple methods to sign out and remove your Apple account from a Mac. Method 1. Sign out through System Settings. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Click your Apple account at the top of the sidebar. Scroll down and click Sign Out. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your Mac password or Apple account password if prompted. Method 2. Sign out through Internet Accounts. Open System Settings again and click Internet Accounts. Select the account you want to remove, then click Delete Account or turn off the services connected to that account. Follow the prompts to confirm. Method 3. Remove the Mac from your Apple account. If you no longer have access to the Mac, you can remove it remotely. Open Find My on another Apple device or sign into your Apple account and view your devices. Select your Mac and choose the option to remove this device if it's available. Keep in mind that removing an Apple account from a Mac does not automatically delete the Apple account itself. It simply signs the Mac out and removes its connection to your account. If you're selling or giving away your Mac, make sure to sign out of your Apple account and erase the Mac before handing it over. And that's it. Those are 3 easy ways to remove your iCloud account and Apple account from a Mac. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.